Welcome back to Army 2021 International Military Technical Forum. On behalf of Joint Stock Company Rosoboronexport, we are glad to present you the GSh-18. This new generation personal weapon concentrates the latest achievements in the design and production of this weapon class. The use of powerful ammunition and a large capacity of double-row magazine without rebuilding the reliability and effectiveness of the pistol's combat use will lead you to a successful mission accomplishment. This 9mm self-loading armor-piercing pistol is a virtue of high firepower, extremely small weight and maximum combat readiness. The GSh-18, together with 9x19mm armor-piercing cartridge 7N31, supersedes all the counterparts in its capability to engage protected targets. The bullet will penetrate an 8mm thick steel plate from a distance of 10 meters. With an automatic fuse, the pistol guarantees the safety while carrying with a high combat readiness. GSh-18 has a unique resettable magazine release button that allows both the left and the right-handed shooting, making it convenient for any owner. The use of modern highly solid plastic materials on the body parts ensures the low weight and the durability of the weapon. The GSh-18 is a reliable, durable, lightweight pistol that will let you accomplish the mission with maximum convenience and efficiency.